Hello, my name is Juan Andrea Rușanu, and I am a PhD student at Transylvania University of Brașov from Romania. Behind my PhD research, I'm also a software test engineer working at Proiect company from Brașov, Romania. Moreover, I am a teaching assistant or a laboratory instructor at Transylvania University of Brașov, and I'm mostly involved into teaching LabVIEW graphical programming environment. Today, I want to show you a live video demonstration of experimenting the brain-computer interface based on P300 speller boards for controlling a 3D wheelchair in a virtual environment developed in a LabVIEW graphical programming environment. So, as you can see, at the current moment, I wear this headset, the G-Tech Unicorn with 8 EEG sensors. So now I will check the quality of the EEG signal. Okay, so here is the Unicorn P300 speller board offered by the G-Tech company, and here is the data viewer with the current acquisition or detection of the raw EEG signals. And here in the right corner, you can see the OK indicator that shows the excellent quality of the acquired EEG signals. I blink, so here you can see the pattern of the EEG blinking. So everything looks perfect. Okay. And now I will open the board that I customized for the current purpose of simulating the control of the 3D wheelchair. And the commands that I will send are explained here. So beginner level, intermediate level, and advanced level. Beginner level supposes to send 2 and 3 commands. There are 6 experiments. Then intermediate level is related to sending 7 commands, and it is based on 4 experiments. And finally, the advanced level is related to sending 13 or 14 commands, and this means to perform 2 experiments. So all the commands are related to movement directions for controlling the 3D wheelchair. This is the initialization, the starting position. So the 3D wheelchair should be controlled by different movement direction to reach these destinations. Okay, so the first phase consists in the calibration of the Unicorn P300 speller board. I will choose 3 or 4 symbols for calibration session. Let's say F, B, L, and Y. So a number of a maximum 30 flashes will be displayed to each of the chosen symbol, and I should pay attention to each of them, and I should also focus the eyesight on each symbol so that a correct P300 response should be recognized. Let's begin. Second item. Third item. Fourth item. Okay, everything perfect. So here is the generated calibration file. As you could see, the dark items or the non-flashing items are based on the letters, and the flashing items are based on the human faces. All symbols are the official items provided by the GTEC Unicode. I chose this option because because of the reduced dimension of the UDP data packet that is transferred from the Unicode interface to LabVIEW. Okay, so here I will restart the LabVIEW application. Okay, and now I want to perform the testing phase with the real commands. So let's begin. Let's start with the 6 experiments for the beginner level. So here we need to reach this. This is so I will show you also the locations. So here are the destinations, the final destinations that the 3D wheelchair should be controlled to. Here is the first destination, then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And let's check again the commands. So we have rotate left 90 degrees. Let's see the command. Rotate left, this one, 90 degrees, and then left long distance, this one. So E, rotate left 90 degrees and left long distance. Let's begin. I will focus my attention to this character. This one and then this one. Perfect. We can see the movement of the 3D wheelchair. Perfect. So we can see that the 3D wheelchair reached the first position. So here we can we can add the results, pass and pass, and accuracy is 100%. Next. Okay, we will continue with the next commands. So we will have rotate right 90 degrees, this one, and right long distance, 2 commands. So this one and this one. Perfect. Everything's perfect. Okay. So I'll add here the results. It's pass and also pass. And the accuracy is 100%. All the commands were correctly recognized and sent. Then we should send 3 commands: forward long distance, this one, then rotate left with 90 degrees, this one, and left long distance, this one. Forward long distance, rotate left 90 degrees, and left long distance. I'll press reset, and now I will perform the P300 commands. Forward long distance, rotate left 90 degrees, and left long distance. It's okay. You can see the movement. Nice. You can see the rotating of the wheelchair. Really nice. You can see the wheelchair reached its destination. Reset, and here are the results. 3 pass results. And also the 100% accuracy. Let's continue with the 4th experiments, beginner level. So here we have forward long distance, rotate right with 90 degrees, and right long distance. Okay, forward long distance, rotate right 90 degrees, and right long distance. I'll focus my attention and I will select these commands. Perfect. Everything worked fine. Really nice. So the wheelchair arrives in the final destination. So here for the fourth experiment, we also have 3 pass results and 100% accuracy. So you can see that the experiment is still in progress, but we have all the best results. Then continue backward long distance, this one, then rotate left 90 degrees, this one, then left long distance. So here I check these commands only to compare the expected results with the actual results. So backward long distance, rotate left 90 degrees, and left long distance. So these items are just to remember me, which are the letters that I need to focus on. Okay, let's begin. Here is reset. Perfect. Nice. And the last command. That's great. We can see that wheelchair reached the 5th position, the 5th location. So here everything was passed with 100% accuracy. So the 6th experiment, the last one for beginner, we also have 3 commands: backward long distance, so this one, then rotate right 90 degrees, and right long distance. So backward long, rotate right 90 degrees, and right long. I won't check them again to see that this is still possible. So backward long distance is the first one that I will focus on, then rotate right 90 degrees, and then right long distance. So I will try to remember them. This one, and this one. Let's begin. It's perfect. Then rotate right 90 degrees. Okay, perfect. And then right long. Really nice. So here we also reached the sixth location. The results are passed for 3 times and the accuracy is 100%. So I will continue with the intermediate level where we need to send for each experiment 7 commands. Let's check them. So here forward short distance, then again forward short distance, then rotate left with 90 degrees. After that, left long distance, again left long distance, left short distance, and rotate right 90 degrees. So these are the 7 commands that I will focus on. Let's begin. Here, reset, and the 7 position, as I remember, should be here. Okay, I can try to zoom in. Okay, let's begin. Nice, it's perfect. Then forward short distance again. Perfect. Then rotate left with 90 degrees. It's okay, but so we have LLII. Fortunately, LabVIEW crashed. Yeah, maybe the 3D performance of my computer is not so advanced. But you could see that the first 3 results were also passed. Okay, let's restart LabVIEW and continue the experiment. Okay, so until now I sent forward forward short distance 2 times. This one, and then rotate left with 90 degrees. This one, okay. And now I will continue with 2 times left long and then 2 times left short, I believe. So yes, left long, 2 times left short, and rotate right. Okay. So left long, left short, and rotate right 90 degrees. Okay, let's continue. So you could see that it is also possible to manually control the 3D wheelchair by different movement direction. Okay, it was correctly selected. Yes, perfect. Really nice. And the last one. Okay. So everything is perfect here. We also have all past results with 100% accuracy. Okay, I will add here the results and 100% accuracy. So in the next video, I will continue with the second part with running the next experiments for the intermediate and advanced levels based on 7 commands and 14 commands. Thank you very much for your attention.